Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button and turn down your notifications and give this video a big thumbs up. So today we are going to make slime. We already started, and my mom,
Yeah.
and this is her first time making slime, so she makes it wrong, then she can do it again. And we're gonna use these mini glue, and then we have borax. So let's get on to the video.
And I am not a big fan of slime. It gets everywhere. It ruins clothes.
Not for me.
Yes, for you.
No, not for me.
And it feels like snot. So I think I added too much water. So I'm gonna add some more glue. Ew, look at that. It's gross. It feels ugly. Okay, it's getting sticky.
Okay, keep on mixing it.
Do I need more water?
Oh wait, it's getting sticky?
Yeah.
Okay, until it.
Comment down below if your mothers helped you make slime. Because Faith's mother has never made slime. And
Yes, you have. You made slime on when it was
No, I never made slime.
yeah, when we decorated the pumpkins for Halloween. When we all made slime in my tia's, my tia's Felicia's house.
I don't recall.
Don't you remember?
So today is Tuesday, the 20th
You sure?
of August. So how many of you went back to school?
I did. My mom went back to work.
And I started back at work. And I also worked over the summer.
Yep. But she comes out.
I did get out early.
We get out at 2:05.
2:05.
And you get out at
1:30.
1:30.
So just in time to pick up my rascals.
And my cousins. And we have to take them to our grandma's.
Yes.
See, Mom, when it
Oh,
gets
look
like
at that.
this-
That is nasty.
Oh, yeah, that's how the slime's supposed to be. And then once it gets like this, Mom, look at like this. Like it's all over your finger. Then that's how you know.
It's a big waste of money.
No, it's not, because these are our things for school.
Kind of looks like egg whites.
Okay, dump your water back in there.
But I'm not done with my glue.
I know, dump your water back in there. Okay, now start mixing your things.
It feels slippery.
Did you make that wrong
I think I put too much water in.
on the first one? Mine?
So guys, since school is already started, what
do you do during school? What is your favorite thing?
Yes. What is your favorite
Math,
thing
social
to do?
studies,
Studies. Recess.
lunch, math, stations.
Okay, this feels really rubbery. It's not really stretchy.
Oh, because you have to add more glue.
More like
Here.
rubber pulling
Oh,
apart.
yeah, yours is more like rubber. Okay, now start mixing it.
I do not like to get my hands dirty.
Yeah, she does it.
Ooh. It is almost 7 p.m.
Not even.
Yes, it is. And they are going
And
to
leave
get...
the comments down below.
Leave the comments if you like me in this video.
Oh my God.
I will appear more if I have good
More
followers.
glue. Oh,
No,
yeah.
no glue. No more glue.
Well, me and my sister.
And go follow Nevaeh's Life, my first baby. She has a YouTube channel. Her channel is awesome. Give it a big thumbs up. Big thumbs up.
They're so funny.
This is pretty fun. I'm not going to lie. But it is messy. Very messy.
Okay, so this is so sticky.
It would be cool if we can get some colored glue.
We can add our own color, just like markers.
No markers. We'll just buy different colored glue. That will be in our next video, so look out for it. It's still like rubbery. Look.
Here, add this in yours.
That's good. Ah.
This is mine. So far, I'm all done. Still have. This is so sticky. My sister, she already made her. She's with my baby sister.
Yeah, she's a babysitter for right now.
Yeah, she's what month? She's not a month.
She's
She's
12 months
She's 1 year old.
and 1 week old.
Yes.
Oh, it's getting more stretchy. Not on the table.
Okay. Then where are you going to put yours?
Back in here.
You're not done.
Okay, I'm going to use all my glue. Oh my goodness.
I'm just going to use.
Whoa, look at that. A mess. I think that's why kids like it so much, because they just love to make messes.
No,
Yes.
I don't.
Parents, comment down below if you think that's true. Give it a big thumbs up if you think it's true.
And leave a comment.
Oh, they'll definitely leave a comment.
If you guys want. Look at my hands.
A mess.
What is it on the table? No.
Almost empty. Well, it looks empty already. I see a little more in there.
And my sister barely woke up. My baby one.
All finished. Comment down below if you are ready for fall. Or even if you're ready for the winter. Because I know I am. Super hot. Super hot summer. Especially in Fresno.
Oh no, that is cold.
Trying to get all the sides. Try not to waste any glue.
That's what I was trying to do, but it's wet in there still. So. I'm from Centennial Elementary. And my mom is from Powers. What? And for yours.
Feels pretty good.
It does.
Feels like slime a little. If I had color, I would color this.
I would have colored
like a
this
magenta.
violet.
Violet? That's a pretty color. I would color mine magenta.
I never heard of that color.
It's a pretty color. Or maybe like a lavender.
Maybe.
Yeah. Okay, that feels like slime. And how long does this last?
As long as you can last it.
As long as it doesn't dry out?
Yeah, you have to keep it closed.
So the key to everlasting slime.
No. That was my mom's phone. From like the
Nice and moist.
Yeah, yours looks better. Mine, I'm still mixing.
So what happens when I dip it in the water?
Then it'll like come fluffy.
Fluffy?
Don't!
That looks like a mess, hey.
Pour some water, please. Or this borax. That's good.
You didn't say how much. Oh my goodness.
That's caramel.
That's not caramel.
Yep. For not paying attention. It's gonna get stuck. I did that one time.
Excuse Faye, she's a little tired.
No, I'm not.
It's almost shower time and bedtime.
Because we go to sleep before 8 or 9 o'clock. So sometimes when we're in my room, or in our room, we stay up. Sometimes.
Comment down below if you shower before you go to bed or
after.
before you go to school.
I take one before.
Yeah, we take a shower before.
You take a shower before you go to work. You take a shower before you go to school.
Yes.
You have to go to work before 6:30.
Early bird. Wake up at 4:45.
That is.
Usually there at 6:20.
One time you woke up
6:25.
late.
Yes, I woke up late and
You
hardly had
to
any makeup on.
rush.
My face was dry.
And moist.
It is fun to play with. I won't lie about that.
You just keep on looking at it.
But it is a mess. So comment down below if you ever made a mess with slime, or you ruined your clothes your mother or your father bought you, even your grandparents,
Or your tios and
or if
Your
anybody's
heels or aunts.
any clothes actually,
or any shoes.
or shoes,
But I don't think it's dirty shoes.
or even pillowcases, because over
you can
here
make them in bed.
they ruined a couple of pillows.
No, actually, you ruined a sheet here.
Oh, and a sheet.
No, not a pillow, a sheet.
A pillowcase. And a sheet. And a pillow.
You just said that.
Because it like sunk through the sheet, the pillow sheet, onto the pillow. Excuse my messy bun. And her messy hair.
Oh yeah, my hair's just sticking out. My sister was just right over there, but she went back in her room.
She was checking up on us.
Probably on the next video she'll be in here. Or probably on, I don't know, a video.
Okay,
Again?
guys, sorry. It's almost about that time for the shower time. So we're gonna head,
And end
Go
the
ahead
video.
close it up.
So we will see you on our next video.
Make
And
sure you hit the like and
Subscribe
subscribe
button. And the bell button.
and the bell button.
And don't forget to leave a comment. And we'll see you in our next video.
And if you like me on this video, make sure you comment so I can be on the next.
And thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.